The black-winged stilt, also known as the red-legged lady, is a small bird and an important member of wetland ecosystems. Its plumage is mostly black and white, with long pink legs and a straight, slender bill that make it highly distinctive in the wild. Black-winged stilts have a wide distribution and typically inhabit wetlands, such as lakes and marshes in open grasslands. Feeding mainly on small fish and shrimp, they are naturally timid and alert, moving slowly with light, graceful steps. In 2016, the species was included in the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species.